You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this English poet. If you want to learn more names from literature, English, British literature, stay tuned, there are many more fascinating videos for you. It's pronounced as Ted, you probably knew that. Hughes, yes, essentially ignore the GH in the middle. If it was French, it would be pronounced Hugues, but it's not. Hughes, alright, just like the hues, the colors. Ted Hughes. It's easy once you know Ted Hughes, and now you know the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.